Hey guys, it's Lily,
What?
and
Thing?
today I'm going to
Okay.
be doing a slime collection,
Samantha's got
so
a
let's
little
get
boy.
started.
Oh.
So the first slime is this
Yeah, I don't know. whose
mini
it
slime right
was.
here. It's blue with blue foam beads, and I call it
Bow.
Sky Crunch. Kind of hard to open. See, it's
Nice.
blue with blue foam beads, and this one's super good. I made it today. Super stretchy, and listen to this. Ready? 3, 2, 1. A lot of fallouts from the foam beads, but that's okay. They'll come back in. Not really a good poke, but we can fix that, obviously, with some contact solution. It's not activator. Doesn't work as activator. Makes it glossy. So, listen. A little bit better. So, that's that one. Stop, Dad. The camera sees. Well, my phone sees you. The people see you. Okay. Pick up these foam beads.
Mm-hmm. What?
I don't know why she put the stuff in there. What was wrong with it?
They fell out, so I'll put it back in there
No. When you went and got the solution. Why?
to make it poke better.
Oh,
It's all about.
So the second slime is this mint ice cream slime. This one's super glossy. But, yeah. This one's as well stretchy, but, and Papa's away. It's kind of jiggly, but not really.
You didn't sleep long. Huh?
okay.
So that's that one.
She's making slime.
Messing with it. It's no turn now.
Hey, now, that's not messing with it. She's a, what do you call it? She's
So this one's Sky
she's
Crunch.
creating.
This one's
She's
mint ice cream. And this next one is yellow with pink foam beads.
Hey, Papa wants you to make him some brownies. He got the mix.
Uh-oh.
Okay,
I
so
love
as
the
soon as I finish this video, I only have one more slime left.
I
So
like her peanut butter cookies too.
I have one more slime left, Papa. It'll be fast. So yeah,
She can make it as soon as she gets this slide.
Video
so
done.
yeah, it might look like it has white
These
foam beads,
videos
but
can
they're
drag
pink
out.
and yeah, so it's super good. And yeah, next one. The next one is in this cottage cheese container that I love so much, and it's this really like Play-Doh consistency. Well, not Play-Doh consistency, but like it looks like Play-Doh with sparkles.
Mm-hmm.
And I call it blueberry glitter. So yeah, it's just in this cottage cheese container. It's wet because I added some multi-purpose solution so I could make it glossier. So that's the 4 slimes that I have right now. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.